Well, I don't know what the title of this one is. um, why don't we decide after I read? I'm so southern. I'm so trusting. I quit baking muffins when my loving youngins handed in their dug in. Running to love, running from mom. Some done, some not. It's all crude in the hood. Mom not being mom, had no song, had all time now to be more. Big mom, big storm, unnormed, unadorned, poured what was torn since being born. Mom, more. Grew horns and stood hard on the shore, showed herself how life is without lead. Even though you always cleave, you will leave. You will eventually see you become your team. Who would have seen how keen them teens of hers came to be so deemed? I still don't know the name. We'll let y'all decide. Big Mom, Big Storm? I don't think so. I don't know. We'll listen again. Okay, bye.